Okay, so let's talk a little bit about the chamber sizes and styles in some of these chamber style machines. The chamber style machines are designed to hold, on the MVS31, for instance, the chamber is designed to hold a bag that's the biggest bag you can put in here is about a 12 by 14. Now that'll hold a good sized chicken, a 5-pound roast without any trouble. And in order to get a bag that size inside the chamber, these blocks are removable. Now mostly these little blocks are designed to keep the food elevated so that the bag can lay flat across the heat seal bar and the air can come out of it more efficiently. But the bigger the package, the more blocks you want to take out. The other thing the blocks do is keep the amount of air that you're removing to a minimum. So the more blocks you have in here, the less time it's going to take to evacuate the chamber. And by the same token, the bigger the package that you put in there, the more space you're going to take up and the less time it's going to take to evacuate the chamber. Now, there are 4 different plates inside the chamber, which makes the chamber pretty deep. It goes down to about here. That's quite a ways. And there is a dome in the lid, so you actually do have 5-6 inches of distance that you can put a product in there. The other thing that chamber-style machines lend themselves real well to is in small delis, or if you want to do something like a soup, or if you want to make your own ice packs, vacuum packing water is actually a pretty handy thing to do. But in order to vacuum pack a bag of water, you have to keep in mind that the water would like to be down at the bottom end of your bag so it doesn't flow out into the chamber. What I do is I take just a roll of something I have handy around and just lay it inside the chamber and then put the thinnest plate in there so you have what's called a slant board. On your slant boards, they actually make one that's stainless steel that fits the chamber, and it is an accessory. And if you're running a small business or a deli or something like that, I would recommend that kind of slant board instead of a homemade makeshift one like this. But for the occasional kind of soup or pack that you do, or some runny leftovers, something like this would work just fine for you. So slant boards are easy to make. Anytime you're doing liquids or wet things in here, use a slant board to keep the juices at the bottom of your bag.